YouTube, what is up with y'all, man? It's your boy AJ Got Kicks back at it again with yet another video. It's a good day outside, as you can see. Today we are getting the Jordan 11 Jubilees, man. We got pairs we gotta pick up, and bro, it's gonna be a crazy day. So y'all need to stay tuned. Make sure y'all like the video, y'all subscribe to the channel if you're new, and all that good stuff. Cause we bringing bangers for y'all, man. We bringing bangers for y'all. So make sure y'all do all that good stuff down below. And man, without further ado, man, let's go, man. Let's get it. Man, was able to cop a pair, as you can see from the city gear. Man, it's tough, bro. Y'all gonna have to make sure y'all get y'all pairs, because it's crazy, this Jordan 11, as y'all know. But anyway, so we gonna head to JD Sports right now. I got another hit on a raffle, so we gonna head to JD Sports real quick and see if we can get any footage in the mall, even though it be you know how it be in the mall. I don't want to get copyrighted or nothing, but anyway, man, I'll see y'all there, man. Let's get it. Man, I am back with y'all boys. We just got our thing from JD Sports, heading back to the car. So man, ooh, this lighting good. But anyway, let's go ahead and head back to the crib. Let's go see what these look like in hand. I'm surprised I haven't looked at any of them. So let's go see what they look like. But I'll be right back. Let's get it. Okay, y'all. We are back at the crib, as you can see by the two places we went, and man, there are people in lines waiting on these shoes, man. I really hope that you guys did not sleep on these shoes. You had better not sleep on these shoes, because man, this it was some heat. Even though this ain't no cool gray 11s, this ain't no Concords, no Breds, no Space Jams. This is definitely some heat. Like, I promise, this is some heat. I didn't see it in hand yet, but I know it's some heat. So let's go ahead and look at these shoes. Boom, there you guys have it right here. As you can see, my personal size 11. As you can see, the cool box. We got the cool box now. So you gotta, you do a open up flap this way. You gotta open up flap this way, and yeah, these are fire, man. And as you can see by the shoes, man, and boom, there you guys have it. The Air Jordan 11 Jubilee things that came out today for that price of $220 retail for the men's. They also had like women's and kids and infants and toddlers and preschool. Like, they had every single size, bro, for the whole family. As you can see by the shoes, let me go ahead and do a little 360 of the shoe, As you can see on the inside, we got the Jumpman and the 23 in on the inside, as you can see, and we got that brown shoe tree. That's weird. I ain't never got no brown shoe tree on no Jordan 11 like that. That's crazy. As you can see by the bottom, it's that milk white. That it is still transparent, but I like it. So just so it doesn't yellow like that. Leading into the toe box, we got that, that widow's peak. Y'all already know. Right here, the Jordan Jumpman right there. And on this side, actually, this is a nice touch to me with the Jordan Jumpman. As you can see, the Jordan Jumpman, as you can see, is Jordan. I don't know what language it is, but I just know it's Jordan on both sides. We got that carbon fiber, as you can see on there. And boom, we got the 23 on the back and the metallic. Man, 23 on the back. This is like a nice constructed shoe. And no, of course, got the metallic Jumpman, as you can see. Man, it's a nicely constructed shoe. People say this looks just like Space Jams. I got them, man, and I ain't gonna hold you. If this was that color, and this was blue outer sole, this would look just like Space Jams. But I buy every 11. I love the Jordan 11 model. I think it's probably my favorite Jordan model, the 11s. I ain't gonna hold you. Maybe if I get more shoes in the collection, y'all, that mind will change. But definitely have the most 11s than any shoe in my collection. Man, this is a stiff colorway, bro. I cannot wait to pull these out. Not right now, because everybody Everybody and their mama gonna pull these out today. But these are definitely fire. These are definitely fire. This is definitely a must-have for me. I'm so glad I was able to pick these up for retail, because that resale value is looking kind of stiff right now. I ain't gonna hold you. Man, that's just these shoes right here. This is my first glimpse, as you can see, of this shoe. Definitely a stiff colorway. If y'all was able to cop, let me know down below if y'all was able to cop on any of the sites that came out today. You know, the Jordans are getting harder and harder to pick up, man. It's feeling like 2016s again, 2015 again. But man, yeah, let me know down below if you was able to cop these for retail, or you didn't. Shoot, you cool with paying the resale value and all that good stuff. If you're gonna cop, man, we should be able to see some restocks, but I don't know for sure. We're gonna have to see how it looks. But man, that's really all I have for y'all. I really appreciate y'all watching the whole video. I really appreciate y'all hitting the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, commenting down below. Man, we gonna keep bringing them bangers, bro. We gonna slowly but surely keep moving up with the good content, you know, because that's, you know, I like to bring the content to y'all. You know, y'all my people, But without further ado, man, that's my first licks of these shoes. Thanks for watching the vlog again. But without further ado, man, I'm AJ Got Kicks, and your boy is out.
Money might walk. I'm walking in with the drill. I got a fee on my hip. Promethazine what I sip. I'm out the lane.